Okay, first I want to say hello, Joe, if this is you here watching, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that you need to rank on the first page of Google and generate more exposure. Now you understand every time you type something into Google in the search bar, you're actually typing keywords, and Google uses that to look for websites that best fit the search for the words you just typed in, search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Now, I did type in auto repair Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, to see if you would rank on the first page. I did not see you. Understand here, of course, this is the map section. This directly deals with citations. Citation is anything with name, address, and phone number that directly reflects your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen here. A lot of people use the map. It generates a lot of exposure. Gas station near me, auto repair near me, and then you come up. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic search, aside from advertisements like Yelp or a AAA company. But everything under here is organic, and this comes from backlinks, content, and keywords. I didn't see you, so when I tried to pull up your website, looks like GoDaddy parked it. So your website is down. It's not being seen. But what I did do was take it and I put it into a tool that I have called Ahrefs, and it tells me what's going on behind the scenes with your website and how strong it is. Now, backlinks is where one website is linked to another. It's like an endorsement from another website, and Google uses that to build trust. So, of course, you have a total number of unique domains linked to you, and then the backlinks are the number of websites pointing to you, linking from your domains. And then you have keywords, and then you get the traffic per month that you're getting from your keywords. Um, let's see, we can take a look at the keywords that are generating you traffic, and this is the volume per month that people see this, or how many times a month people are typing this in. GT auto repair, tire repair, Myrtle Beach 80. So this is your monthly exposure per these keywords that get typed in. I took a look at a competitor's website, so I went with Larry's Auto Clinic just to give you an idea how that works. We have a Larry's Auto Clinic, and I punched him in. Looks like he's got 966 backlinks coming from 20 different domains. Now keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want a backlink from an ice cream shop referring to your automotive garage. It's not as strong as another automotive facility referring back to you. So you want to keep that in mind. Also, keywords play a big factor. So he's 489 keywords, generating him 119, give or take, a month in traffic from the keywords and the content that is in his website. And so you can get an idea of what he has in here. Auto repair Myrtle Beach, auto repair Myrtle Beach again, transmission shop, AC repair, car electric services, Myrtle Beach again. Well, we got oil change Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, oil change Myrtle Beach. So the keywords are playing a large factor in his content and how Google sees him and how Google starts to build trust with that. See, once your content, your citations, and your backlinks come together, you become more endorsed, you become more trustworthy, more trusted, more recognized, and you will move through the ranks of Google up onto that first page and generate more exposure, which will generate more value to you. With that being said, I'm hoping you can appreciate the explanation. I don't know why your website is down, um, but that might be something you want to look into. It's important to have a well-built site so that you can have enough, value and exposure brought to you, customers, or revenue. And if you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I could find out what your goals are, what's realistic for you and your business. Again, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.